este lago?
Sí, ya las personas ya calzan el agua.
¿Qué va?
Oh my god, there's a sedan behind him going through it too. Oh my god, the whole Prius is going sideways. No way. It's about to go down the creek. Holy crap. I don't know if I need to. The Prius is still going. Maybe because it's electric. I don't know how that thing just made it through that. What the heck? That was insane. It's some lady driving.
It's crazy on here, y'all. This car is stranded and they had to lift the lady out of it. Nobody wants to go. It's crazy. Nobody wants to go. You see that big old river? I live 5 minutes from here, but I cannot get home. This is crazy. This homeless dude is helping everybody. It's so freaking crazy. Like, this is insane. Move to the south, they said. It'll be fun.